I am going to set my freshly washed hair in victory rolls using Proclaim lotion that I get at Sally's in a spray bottle. I do not dilute it because that works best on my hair. Okay. Typically, working with clean hair is a pain, but this helps to dirty it so that way the next time I do my hair, it's easier to set. So, take a section. You can do this in smaller pieces all over your head and then sleep on it. Just dry it out in the morning. Make sure you sit under the dryer for a little bit, especially if your hair is nice and thick. So this is my modified travel lint roller. I am wrapping my hair around the lint roller and rolling it and rolling it and rolling it. Okay. It sounds like somebody woke up from his nap. So I'm going to make this super fast. Okay. Bobby pins. With wet hair, you might actually need more bobby pins than you normally use. Right now I have 2 in there. And I'm going to take this U-shaped pin because I could see a little bit of a flyaway on this one. And I'm going to stick the U-shaped bobby pin there to control that flyaway. That little loose bit of hair that wants to come unrolled. It's hard to see in this lighting, but there we go. Now, for me, I typically use 2 or 3 bobby pins on my dry hair. And my wet hair, I will normally use more, but my hair is being very nice and very cooperative right now. So take a section, and you can do this with longer hair. I used to have hair down past my waist, and I would just topsy tail it. So I would do a ponytail at the end with a good section of my hair, leave some out front sometimes, topsy tail that, and then pin my hair to the back of my head, and I would have plenty of hair left to roll, and then I would roll that into victory rolls. So it can be done. It just takes some creativity. It takes a little bit more work, but it is not impossible. Now, bobby pin. And this roll is a thicker roll, and I can already feel that it's not as secure as I would like it. So I'm going to take an extra bobby pin, and I'm going to place that in the front to help secure my hair. Feels pretty good. And then back to my U-shaped pin, because this section of my hair on camera looks great, but in reality, if I move too much, that section is going to fall and I'm going to have this loose curl. Okay, so there it is, 2 victory rolls, and on freshly shampooed hair. Now, you can do this on your dry hair. I posted a video with dry hair, and it works just as well. So I'm fixing this roll because this roll came loose. I'm going to shake around it. Okay. Now I also want the back of my hair done. So for the back of my hair, I am just going to spray the guy got a good spray. And comb it through. And wrap my hair around the barrel of this travel lint roller. And you can see it's starting to come undone over here. Not a problem. This is where the U-shaped bobby pins really do a fantastic job of fixing that, accommodating for that. So I found out where it was loose. Take my U-shaped bobby pin, and push the hair back in. So super simple. Now, I don't want to take up much more of your time, so I'm going to finish off my hair in the back and go get my little one who just woke up from a nap. So that is how you do your hair when it's freshly washed and typically very hard to work with because it's clean. So I hope this gives you some ideas, and I hope this helps you out. Bye.